ya PP2 kurwase skuru ya Timiza niyo litkolia rero babekura chigutwa na wanchirwa kurwa ase nasari kugenda ase grade kirigia grade 1 uchakara umwaka ugocha. Lucas Mugaka nigatwarganira roboti orega
Netengo amono mogoko omonekigima oyiga onyara okwenekiwa ase skuru ya Timiza preparatory kutoka ase wenyanyusie ime county ya Kisii chingaki abaiboli aborokie amona aborokiwa baikirana ase omwega oyiga obene elio weitonera okubekirwa egutwa koborokiwa ba PP2 aborokiwa be eskure yiga mbanyara bakwirali bakalia bolebene yokorokia ebiego byabo ensemo na masomo abiboli bali banyara bawikena nigo banyetogia eskure yiga ya Timiza preparatory asokotilia abana babo kebongo na kubasega gutwara chimbwa chingia.
Parents, it's not easy. We can see the good job that teachers are doing with the administration of the school. So far we thank God.
Omwalimu omwanebwe eskuru yiga Vincent Okoch nigo airali bagalia bene yo wakabuyago chia ase ababuli amona abwatani bonsi bali babere bakubwaterna yokumukerelia ebyego amone birengo bya masomo ase eskuru ye.
Teacher Vincent Okoch Jeremiah, the head teacher, the grade manager, grade 6. I teach mathematics, science, and Kiswahili. Welcome.
Omo director Bernard Omusa amono mokonyo yenigo babatogia aborokiwa abaiboli amona aboroki asogosire na babere bagosire na edokonekia amatunda amayanyare akorekana.
The kids who are graduating today came here as preschoolers, play group, 3 years. So they have worked a journey for 3 years. Now they are in PP2. We are graduating them today to go to grade 1.
The PP2 class of 2025. You can see the excitement we have today.
Omoteneri kurwa ase nsemo yechisemi Dr. Margaret kurwa ase orogongorwe county ya Kisii noyo mubo bageni besiko bali banyara bawikirana na kurwa segeto yabo amono bosemi bwabogochia ase aborokiwa bayigabe skuru ya Timiza preparatory.
The pastor is here, the teachers for the various grades, the managers, the facilitators as I heard them being referred to. All of you, you are contributing to the well-being of these wonderful, beautiful children.
Ensemo ya gisiasa titigiri maiga nigo anene Dr. Margaret nyara kobolie abwatani koro asoro gongoro iga wemoke egetambo kirogyo kwene kibuna inkonyara bali bakomwakira ekokom na kumusira omu governor we county Kisii omoske Simba arati asogwekirania amagendro ali nyata kolira abantu be county ya Kisii eira.
Governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, whom most of you know, or all of you, except maybe the children, is the one who gave me this position. If you want to bring any transformation in a country, in a county, make sure that you vote.
Sigo anene bonsi asobwamo banyara bakobolia ababwatani amona borkiwa be eskurega ya Timiza anene kerekega bawuchikwenda ase omutumoko monene abayiboli anabanya bakwene kibuna abana babo nkobalenda bale ekerekega ki olde nyoke ripotilia egeta seni kyagetembe TV kuroiga ase skuru ya Timiza preparatory kutoka ase nsemo ya Nyosia ime county ya Kisii na utambiri na Lucas